That is a necessary evil. Hi, my name is Yolanda Yanra, a candidate of Mahasiswa Berprestasi PKN STAN 2018. I am the 5th semester student of Diplomatry of Taxation, Politeknik Keuangan Negara STAN. On the previous semester that I have passed in PKN STAN, I get a number of achievements. Here are my achievements. Besides teaching activity in class, I usually study in my spare time to achieve my targets. I also discussing with my friends, joining organization, committees, and also voluntary activities. One day, my friend asked my opinions about national debt. Is that necessary for us? So I was really confused about that thing. And the other day, I went to the scavenger hunt in Sarmili. I saw many people living below the standard of living. So, is there any relation between that and the poverty? I'm really curious about that thing. So, I started to find many data. Finally, I found the data. According to the Central Statistic Agency, that Indonesian Gini ratio, which stands for poverty ratio in Indonesia, is at 0.389%, which means that there is a far gap between a capable, or we may say a fortunate, and less fortunate people. On the other hand, poverty is a condition that the government wants to eradicate to achieve Sustainable Development Goals in 2030. Our Ministry of Finance, Sri Mulyani Indrawati, said there are some issues that really urgency to resolve. For example, health, education, facilities, infrastructure, and also national defense. It is the function of debt to solve that. So we can say that debt has two functions. The first, debt is becoming a solution for the budget deficit, and the second, debt can be used to investment in the productive sectors. Debt is one of financing alternative that is chosen because it has a variety of reasons. The reason contains two charges. The first is urgency charge, and the second is expansion charge. The urgency charge means that is some condition that have to resolve immediately. And the second charge is expansion charge. The debt is chosen being a financing because it is technically and economically expected to generate profits. The increase in government deficits is positively proportionate with the increase in debt. The increase of the deficit was due to government spending to increase public welfare and also to achieve sustainable development goals in 2030. The government of Indonesia has committed to ratify this agreement in a presidential regulation number 59 2017 that concern about implementation of achieving Sustainable Development Goals 2030. Sustainable Development Goals 2030 is in line with RPJMN of Indonesia 2015 because 94 out of 196 targets was included in the RPJMN. So ladies and gentlemen, in order to optimize the loans to achieving these targets, the government may do several ways. First, making a law that concern to debt and the relation between Sustainable Development Goals 2030 as a clarity for DPR oversight and budget functions. And second, giving special incentive to Indonesian people who hold national securities that have supported domestic loans in order to maintain economic and political stability. Third, increase revenues along with increasing of debt in order to guarantee that the debt can be paid and not become prolonged burden for the state. Ladies and gentlemen, please support me to be Mahasiswa Berprestasi Politeknik Keuangan Negara STAN 2018 because your support means a lot to me. Thank you.